welcome back to the channel. Happy New Year, guys. We're back on the Rio Bueno scene, guys, as you can see, and we're doing a little bit of camping today. So we're gonna camp overnight. We'll drop some drop line fishing today, guys. I got the line set already and I'm getting a hit. Look at that. Just turned the camera on and the line's getting a hit already. We are out here. Big up yourselves. Me and Anthony's out again. We at it. We're gonna be doing some cooking, catching. We're gonna be doing all sorts of stuff because we're gonna be here overnight. Gio's on the beach. Got Bell here. I don't know where he went. The rest of the crew's here, guys. And we're gonna be doing an all-nighter tonight. So we out here, guys, just doing our thing today. New Year's Day. First day of the year, 2023. That's what's up. We're gonna start the year off right. Fishing, catching some big fish. I want to catch one ratted snapper and I night. I say, brethren, 5 rod more with tonight. No? So I have 3 or more at the beach. The shorter ones is what I use on the kayak. The longer ones is what I use on the beach. Shorter one, me can. No, me have two shorter one in my bag and 1 short one or so. And I them use the kayak. Yeah, man, I just park my park. I water kind of look choppy. More on the water laid on flat. When it glass. I don't see no wave or wrinkle in it. All that all night, early morning tomorrow night, 4 bells, 5 bells. You see me? Set up the kayak and push him out quick. Out here. And my sister nothing now go on night and no bite, now waste a bait. I put you up and save it till later, next day. Joe, your brethren them all start clowning you if you take out no more local fish out of the water, you know. Yeah? Yo, you see when you go outside you can catch off all like jackfish. Jackfish them have no size regulation. But you see the snapper them, the jackfish them, you can fry them, roast them, do anything. Me have the big friend. That's enough oil, bro. We don't need no more oil than that. I'm gonna rush to reset my line them, you know, because here what go on. Yeah, him can go up on the grill. Them can go up on the grill. A jackfish. Pumping out, they eat good your fat when you fry them dry. And when you roast them. Because we are cooking now. I'll cook some curry chicken or some brown chicken or something. Yeah, guys, we back here. We have set up camp. We got birds diving down there. The water's starting to calm down a little bit, guys. Gio and Anthony and them just got back with the boat. They went out catching fish. I don't know what they caught so far, but they look like they picked up a good amount of fish. Me and Laurie's here. We got the camp set up. Kayaks here, guys. We plan on hitting that water tomorrow. Or tonight, if that's the case. But we're out here, guys. And it's New Year's Day. First day in January 2023, guys. We are out here, guys. Adventure as usual. And just doing it. You know what I mean? The whole crew's here. Everybody's just chilling out. We got the camp set up over here. Everything's just perfect. How we like it, guys. That's what's up. Hey, Mo. What you get, Mo?
Fish, man.
How many fish you caught, Mo?
Couple of them. We bust off, man, early.
Damn. Yo, move that big tick off our beach, brother, and put it behind us. So. Put it behind us and on the pile up there, so, man. Move it out of the way, nobody won't trip on it. You see me? Do what? No, sir. It's not going good, man. Boy, them going good for some jackfish out there, guys. Look at that. Man, them full up the local cooler star. And them choose to come in back. So I said, putting the onions in there. I say, Parry start cut up the chicken first and everything, man.
No more than what them fry out and get man a chef up.
Man a chef star. So allow the man alone, man chef star. What? A Geo fish. A Geo full fish them there. No for you or somebody else. No, Richie, not you. If you want fish roast, you ask you for one. Larry, come for fish. Or you want to wait for one fry one? Yeah. Wait for the fry one, man. Come on, do it now. Yeah, man, Gio, them are fry up the fishing people. I'm feeding up people. Outside with there, you know. Yeah, she fought. You know the fought, brother. I'm going to carry a spoon. Outside with there now, guys. This is freshly caught fish that we just caught just now, guys. And this is what's going in there. Take a look in the pan, people. The food for you, freshly caught. New Year's Day, guys. 2023 in Jamaica. Rio Bueno Trelawny. Look at that. And look on Gio. Gio mash up a roast fish right now in this roast. Look here. Out there, guys. Come on. We're out here doing it, guys. Frying up some fish, cooking some chicken, and just chilling. The rest of the fellas is just kicking it. We're gonna go back out later, see if we can pick up some more fish, guys. And just hit people. Get a rod to touch on this look while. No, what me do? Me move the weight from the sun, so rough up the sun. So when I see that now, and the sun rough up, and I see bait float around. There, guys. I'm getting some hit. Anthony, you just get a wicked lick on this look while, you know? A wicked touch, you know? And move the whole rod look while, man.
Ready?
Eh?
Yeah, dead.
It goes up, it shifts good, man.
Action off my ground. But we set up my rigs to go back out there, man. We just want two more extra hook and extra sit.
See there? Nigga wanna touch. Nigga one that does touch so far. Jamaican shore fishing here. Eating some fish, rice and peas and some chicken. Come on. Mashing up some food, people, before we head out there tonight. Fishing here, guys. Told you I was getting the kayak out late tonight. Trying to get this fish finder here. Tell me I'm in about 16. Yeah, I can't get too close to that because when the water starts smacking up on that, I got to be able to turn around or back out of it quick. We're sitting in 14 feet of water right here. 15 feet. 14, 15. All right, picking up fish below us. Let's see it, man. Try to pull this and put this up here, so. All right. So I have to stay on the outskirts. We're sitting at 19 feet and I'm picking up fish passing going this way. A whole school underneath us right now. Right now going this way. I'm picking up fish. 23 feet out here, guys. Yeah, not much of a strong current out here today though. I like that, that's good. So on big fish just passed me, look while. Yeah, Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here, guys. Gio and them guys is over here. We're over here dropping some line, guys. See what we can pick up. I got something coming your way. About 10 feet deep. 17 feet. I got about 4 fish coming your way at 17 feet. Look like jackfish. Yeah, I got stuck. It looked like something grabbed me under a rock or something. I'm gonna see how bad. You get one nice snapper? Who get a nice snapper? You catch a nice snapper now? So now, how you ain't showing me the snapper now?
Don't make it drop, you know. Hold him good in the boy.
Yo, left the snapper alone, yeah? Left the man snapper alone. I don't want no snapper go drop overboard and then here say a Jerry fart. Alright, guys, I'm gonna show you guys a new tactic that I'm about to use. Anthony, you good?
Hot daddy. We down there, guys. 23 feet deep. We're going down. I see it going down. I see the line going down on the fish finder, guys. Straight down there. That's right. That's what's up. See if they're going to be attracted to that light. Can you guys see the light through the ground there? You can't see it down there? Really? I can't see going from 20 something feet to 40 foot, yes, I know. Yeah? My line? No. I just one line map set. One fish underneath 10 feet deep, 20 feet deep. Somebody I call over there, sir? We're good now. No, I don't know about your line, man. Nothing. I'll go down looking further. 23 feet down here. 23 feet. You guys are sitting in 40 foot. We're going a little bit more shallow. Hell no. That shit ain't working. Anybody else get nothing? Nobody else get nothing? Yeah? And I'm getting fish running around underneath the bottom of us at 33 feet. Huh? Fish. I run below, we're at 33 feet. I got a wicked bite a while ago, but nothing yet. Oh, which one that? Eh? Fish a swim around 18, one drop off there, so you know. You go down like one dip, you hear me? One drop off, go down so. You drop off like a sandbar, like a little hill. And you have fish a swim at 22 feet right now. We just pass and I go so. Eh? No, I go. Eh? Last time I left on the line. You feel it? Who full line? I catch you back at kayak, you know? I'm Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. Just got a hit on the line a while ago. Not much of a hit.
There you go. Something there.
Awesome, I don't get none yet. Empty hooks. I got hit a while ago, I felt it. But nothing solid. I'm getting hit though. I got fish swimming at 11 foot. Like one whole school just passed on them like a bait fish. Whole heap of them. I'm getting hit wicked right now. I'm getting hit. One bait gone. Yeah, right, that's the end, man. Like I say, I'm mud down there, boss. Blood clean weight are stuck in my mud. And then down there, you know? But they're swimming at 15 feet high and we're sitting in 20 feet deep water. Oh, no, it keeps on taking my bait. Then I won't be able to catch the size of fish I want. Yeah, Jamaican shore fishing, guys. We're definitely out here today, guys, doing something. We're getting some readings here, guys. I got fish at 16 feet, but we're sitting at 21 feet. So they're just swimming past in a school someplace here. Right underneath the boat. We just passed and came up to them a while ago. They're right. Nothing, guys. Remember, so we're not mine a buy time now. Now midnight I buy time, you know. Yep, midnight to 3. Yo, guys, now going, you know. Now going. It don't make no sense. Right now. Pull it in, pull it in. Pull it in, pull it in. All right, go there, go there. Yeah? But no, sir. Now I've got to take out the pedal stuck in there. Hold on. No, lift up the front, high, in our ear. Lift up it. Alright, go on, put it on. Alright, I hit that. Now Bell catch one big fish out there. Come, pull it in all the way in. Huh?
I don't know catch a fish.
Catch a fish.
Yeah,
No, sir, I'm not go back. The two, not going out there now. The fish them not pick. My bag with my lights and my batteries and everything. It's alright, it's waterproof. Let's drain this part out. Right, that's all.
Right, that's
Right in front, I tent.
in front of him. No one.
Alright, we're good, that's all. The fish them not bite the way I want them to bite. Trying to get one guy caught a big fish.
I look say I come back here.
Yeah?
Do I say one fish number like it?
Yeah. Ain't nothing going on out there, bro. Yo, wanna light up the fire back now, bro? I'm my own thing come off of this, I'm electronics on the pedal. I'm gonna put them up inside. Understand? Lean up this with me at the rod over there, so. I'm gonna do no more fishing period. Yeah, I'm gonna get some sleep, man. And then get up back at 12 o'clock. Yeah. And start fishing. I'm gonna want my sleeping bag, but nah, I'm gonna use my hammock. Not yet.
Tomorrow, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, no make no sense.
I say I'll go and cool out.
Probably do some shoreline fishing night, but I'm not gonna go out there and chance myself for flipping over.
I'll be come up on it.
What son? No, when me come in here, son, man.
Yeah, man. Oh, man, I think so when I reach back, it's shore.
Yeah.
Further out, a little bit deeper, but I think I drench out the whole light.
You want me say way over 41 feet out there.
Out there, not out there.
You right which part in there right now, sit down?
Yeah. So out there, and then deep.
Yeah.
So that's like my whole sit out there.
They all have big stuff out there. Like. But when I do I strip this down. Yeah, man come back in, but yo, you are going, brother. You see out there, so? It's a sticky situation if you get in trouble out there. And I don't have enough light on my thing, on my machine, for me to focus on that. So in the morning when I can see better, I can focus. Bro, I wasn't even trying to get wet out there anymore. They're right there at the pole. They probably went on the other side. Where? Oh, them probably are coming in now. They're not catching nothing. That's why I locked off, bro. Get some more fire tick, you. Fire need to light up. I'm wet. I need to dry up. Here, guys, good morning. Rise and shine. I've been up all night on and off fishing. I got one line that I had set all night. Caught an eel last night. The kayak was no good to be out on the water in the dark, guys, because of the fact that the waves and the roughness of the water. I was really feeling uncomfortable without the stabilizer. Came back in, didn't pick up nothing on the fish, got a bite. Anthony's here, he just woke up. He got tired of fishing right here right now because our line's been set all night and all I've caught is the eel. We missed yesterday's bite time by about an hour, Anthony. Yeah. And we ended up now doing an all-nighter here and fishing still till this morning. Dane is setting his line now currently, guys, and we're lining the fire up to cook some breakfast for the rest of the team this morning, so everybody get up nice hot meal. We'll get the boat back in the water, guys, and get it outside back up to the piers where we caught all the fish yesterday. Big up yourself, guys. Stay tuned and see what we can make of this adventure today, guys. We are out here. Well, let's see what we can pick up this morning. We might end up getting a nice sized jack this morning or a snapper or something. I'm always positive about the thing, you know. Yo, I just said one jack, how much jack on a catch? Gio and them just came back, guys. Leap up on yourself. Yo, Gio them go and then catch a few small fryers and one nice jack fish. We're gonna cook those up right now, guys. That's breakfast. You see me? Yeah, fresh fish. Where is it? Yeah. No go up on ice. It's still a flop. Same way. All when them go down.
Show them no man.
Yes,
Live
yes,
in a
yes.
pond, man.
Live in a pond.
The water them move, man.
Yeah.
Cool.
So here we go on, people. Fresh fish, and there's nothing more fresher than that. You see me? We have some chicken cooking on the grill, guys. Over there. About to put on the rice in a minute. Judge, I made the pot burn up, you know. Make the pot burn up. Remember say fire high. Them say if you turn on the gauge from the stove look while the stove is too high, you know?
Yeah, it turn on, man. I can't take off going on. Can't
Yeah.
check it 10 times, man.
So yeah, we getting some fish ready, throwing the frying pan, guys. And we definitely got some curry chicken running. We're about to do the yeah, man.
I can't take off now.
Yeah, but now put it on the bench, you know, because it will burn the bench. You have to put it on the cinder block or something. You see me?
Block that's up.
Yeah, put it on one block.
See one block?
See, yeah, put it on the block. Or put it next to the stove on the block.
Yeah?
Put it next to the stove on the block. Make it stay warm. You see me? Right next to there and put it on the block. Yes, sir. And then move whatever else over there, so now, you know? Eh? Yeah. Just, yeah. Quick move. No long thing. Yeah. Line up your rice, sir.
Yam. Roast yam.
Yeah, man. Yes, people, we have a yam for roast on the fire too. What? Yes, sir.
You know, tell him about big zone catching fish or someone.
Oh,
Avil.
Me did done here, sir. I'm say Avil just put apple in my mouth, you know. So when me go so now and turn around and attend to my rod, by the time I turn around, I run full speed, me see Avil run, and I see him chuck off and go so, and I see him come back up and chuck off again, you know.
Ready, man, look for.
Bloodly yellow rod, pull out I stand, fly out and gone and see Bridget, the man locking drag on the rod. And then the fish just do nothing but one big fish, you know. Yo, it's one in, no, in catch the rod. And can't come back and carry the fish come right there so the fish get away.
Yeah, just tell them on the road, go get him.
Say, yeah, what? I done this, man, the fish they out looking further, man, but when you come in close with the fish and the fish just pop off, in like the fish turn and cut it. I say, man, all in phone, everything in our pocket. Everything, key, phone, alarm, everything. So, man, want to see this now, we are roast some yellow yam on the fire. We have the curry chicken over here ready. The guys are getting fish down there ready to throw in the frying pan. So this is breakfast, guys. Fresh breakfast, straight. If you notice, the yellow yam still have all dirt on it, guys. That's how fresh this is coming out the ground. So everything that we dealing with, straight fresh. Understand? George is chefing today. You have Anthony over there. Everybody's still here, guys. So let me get you guys around.
George here.
Yes, you have George and you have Dane from Manchester. And the rest of the team, them there, man. And them clean up some fish, guys.
and I get some fish in on the thing. Kind of small still, but we'll work with it. Yeah, he's alive. Yeah, man. Yeah. So we released that, guys. So that's what's up. Use the bucket cover and cover it. Move it from the table now that it cool down. The pot not hot, you can put it up there so now. So nobody no bouncy, yeah. Yeah, man. So guys, we have the chicken ready over here. Remember, say a bush with it. We don't have all the kitchen utensils like we're supposed to, but we're working with what we have. We're just here, guys, just getting this together, getting some food together for the team. Still got our line set, guys. We're cooking food. We're here chilling out. Are you the Carl, Papa? Eh? Come. So you have to show far, yeah, Papa? So when you hold it like so, look now, you hold it. So you hang like this, and then you hold the buckle like so, and then you go like so, look. Watch where Jerry do. See going out there now? And then you hold your buckle. So you hold the line now like so, Papa. Hold the line, come hold the line. When you hold the line and feel, hold the buckle in there. Don't let go the buckle none time, you know. Hold the line good, man. Hold the line with your hand. Yes, Papa, and hold it tight. So when you feel the fish bite pan it now, I'll show you. You have to hold it like so with your hand and feel. You have to wait, you have to hold it steady so that in case when the fish them bite you, you feel it in your hand like so, Papa. You see me? So your hand hold it up in your ear so that like so, like how me do it. You see how my hands here? When you hold it on your own, man, you hold it. Look. So anytime you feel fish bite pan it, I want a smaller hook so you're supposed to pick up a fish here, so, Papa. Hold the line steady. Hold it steady enough. You feel nothing bitey? You feel like something go when you feel that, you know say I want fish to touch it. See it? You have stuff on it, that seaweed. See? So stay right there, so don't move. I don't have to put, man. Watch. Let go that, let go that. Watch your foot. Come out that line. Come out that line. Step off our line. Step off our line. Alright. Hold it good enough. Alright. So right, that's how hold it now, Papa. Hand line we used to fish with when we are local boy, you know. But you have to wait on the fish until the fish bite. You understand? Alright, stay right there. Don't move. I'll get it back out for you again. Hold it good. And just hold him up in the ear like so, Papa. And wait here. Hold this apart. Look at that. And hold right here so like so. Alright? And you wait for the fish to bite you know. When the fish bite you know, you know, Papa. But don't let go this. Hold on, man. Teach him, the young man how to use a hand line. Alright? Oh gosh. Don't worry about that. Just hold the line steady, Papa, until you feel something bite it. Fresh fish, guys. This what's up. Whole heap of seaweed, Pops.
This might pick up too much. Can you
They're too low. They're too low to the ground. You have to ease off of this, eh?
That's easy.
You have to put up this, Papa, until later when the water calms down. Look at it here. Water kind of rough right now.
Alright, take off the pot now. That's them the fry. Them the fry. Them fry a fish.
What?
Look funny. Take up the fry, man. Yo.
Rain. Yeah. Then I need to take up. Rain will come, I have to take up. That don't look good at all. You got a fish, Larry? You got a fish? Hey, you guys want fish? Fry fish. Just got some roast ham off the fire. We ate all the fish a while ago. I don't think I videoed that part though, but I think we ate all the fish that we fried, dude. We ate everything, man.
But I'm going to pot it.
No? But I'm going to rice pot, you know. Salt. Throw some salt on that. Oi, oi, take your time. Yo, this a man want blood pressure to blood clean. Special roast ham. Straight out, dirt up on the red yam still.
Yes, also
Where you're one there?
much rice, man.
Good.
How would be another one there?
No. The same time I did my own thing again.
She like, yeah,
The same time I did my own thing again and I
yeah.
work on the cooking.
Mm.
I know. So when I next one.
That's where we, yo, down there so nice. You catch big fish. Big fish.
Never going to say it.
But yo,
What tell me I'm
yeah, Gio, line up one plate for me. Larry!
You alright?
You get food?
Yeah, man, Larry.
Alright.
Larry, get food.
Give me one, Gio.
After Jerry, can I line up sitting for me? Yes, sir. It's yes, I'm going to that.
What's it? You know what I done? Not give me that. Give me that. Give me that.
I'm going to right there. You take that for me.
Put on extra.
How much people there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
There.
Yeah.
It's not rice.
Yeah, man, I made this one.
The same man, someone in them food, you know? Watch it.
Papa Duke, set up food for him now.
My mommy, you know.
Let me do. Drop on this.
Complete.
2 breasts. You take the breast. Next breast.
Yeah.
1 more piece. Some gravy. Pan of rice, man. Come here. Alright, that's it. Pass apart, give me Anthony.
Pass too far, yeah.
Come on.
No, sorry.
Well, a look a cool shade spot here, people. With some food. We're still here on the beach, guys. We have not packed up yet. Roast yam is passing around. I'm full. I can't handle another bite. Laurie's out there swimming. I'm sitting on top of the kayak. The water's kind of rough, guys. I don't feel like going out in that roughness of water. Big up yourself, guys. We are out here, guys. This is what's up.